Oh, and are you helping? What you making? Is that a spatula? Don't fall off the chair.
No.
Yeah, that's a spatula. Are you stirring?
No.
No? Can you put it in the sink? You gonna put it in the sink for Mommy? Yeah? The dough's almost ready. Oh, thank you. There you go. Oh, that's heavy. Be careful. Oh my. Yep, even the towels, huh? Oh, the towels go on the floor. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah? You got some measuring spoons
Yeah.
and cups?
Yes. Yeah.
And a butter knife? Ooh, that's a butter knife. Yes. You gonna stir? Oh! Be careful, babe. You're gonna step off the chair. Don't fall down. Alright, are we all are we all done? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.